This is a gentle power sequence. Start by loosening up the hips and the shoulders. And a big emphasis in the beginning on the sun salutation and how to use the shoulders and open the chest using the rhythmic and repetitive motion of a sun salutation. You go through different arm rotations and nuances of how to bear weight on your hands so that you can get the most out of a downward dog and an upward dog, and really prepare the shoulders and the spine for hand balancing, which is a cornerstone of power yoga. The B variation of the sun salutation also opens the pelvis for splits and hip external rotation. And it's very good to have two versions of a sun salutation in the beginning of your practice. Here we go into the first hand balance, the crow pose, which is foundational and very similar to the low push-up. Really, when you can learn to open your chest using the warrior poses, the chair pose, and the sun salutation, you have all the preparation you need for hand balancing. In the full sequence, I go into deep details on the side plank, how to prepare the wrists, and what muscles to engage to keep the shoulder socket and shoulder girdle safe. Here I even go over how to use the back of the wrist, which is a very satisfying and balancing practice for bearing weight on the hands. Always at the end of practice, it's very important to experience your blood pressure dropping, which is why I emphasize the shoulder stand and the inversion at the end of practice. And finally, seated, we do a move called Talasana, which is to lift the hips off the ground by pushing your hands down into the ground with straight arms. This helps to release the neck and restore the neck. And as always, take Shavasana and rest.